2014 64 Range Rover Vogue SE 4.4 V8 SD V8 diesel in Mariana black metallic with a cream and ebony interior trim. This one has the urban styling. It has pan sunroof, heated steering wheel, front and rear seats, full leather trim throughout, parking camera and sensors, with navigation, Bluetooth and DAB you would expect. It does also have electric deployable side steps. So you open the car, fold out. Meridian sound audio, 4-zone climate control, wood trim throughout. It does have also soft closed doors. As well as electric tailgates.